Hey folks, Mobile Geezer here with a quick unboxing of the TCL 10 Pro. So let's get started. So I picked this up a few weeks ago, but this is my first chance to show it to you guys. So looking at the quick specs on the box, it's a 6.47 inch FHD display, AMOLED display, HDR10, 64 megapixels, 128 gigabytes of ROM with 6 gigabytes of RAM, and a 4500 milliamp battery. So let's get it opened up. So there it is, and we'll take it out of the box. Slip it out of its plastic. It's dual SIM, or one SIM and an SD card. I like that matte finish, only comes in gray. And you've got 4 lenses on the back, a 64 megapixel, 16 megapixel, a 5 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth. On the left side, they've got what they call a smart key, which you can program in a lot of different ways. On the right, the power button, the volume up and down. Up top, headphone jack, IR blaster, and the microphone. On the bottom, your USB Type-C in and your speaker, and also your SIM tray. So let's take a look at what else comes in the box. There's your SIM removal tool, and we have an included case, which is very good because you can't find cases for this thing anywhere. Of course, it's just a flimsy case, but at least it's some protection, because I looked all over, couldn't find any cases for the TCL 10 Pro. And finally, we've got our USB Type-C cord and our power adapter. So let's power it on if we have some juice, which we do. All right, I'll get it set up. So we're all powered up, and right now we've got the TCL skin on it, but I'll be replacing it with a different launcher. So there it is with the case on. Wish it didn't have that writing on it, but I'll take it since I don't have any other case for it. Now we've got the rootless Pixel launcher installed, and it looks much more to my liking since I can no longer get the Google launcher. So that's my quick unboxing and first look of the TCL 10 Pro. I have a feeling I'm really going to like this phone a lot, but we'll be checking that out. I'll be dropping another video of my impressions of the first few days, probably in the next 2 or 3 days. There'll be a link in the description. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.